Yeah. Can you say Merry Christmas, everyone? Merry Christmas, Amma.
Merry Christmas, Mama.
Merry Christmas.
I want it.
Come here, Mom.
Come here, Mom.
Okay, ready?
Drop off the presents.
Okay. Do you want to open first? You want to open
I
after?
want to take a picture.
Or you take a picture later? Maybe it is.
It's a birthday cake.
You think so? Try open. Okay, open your present. Say thank you, Nina. Thank you, Uncle Adam.
Thank you, Nino.
Thank you, Uncle Adam.
Thank you, Uncle.
Hurry, open.
I open my presents.
You are. Oh, look at that! It's the island of.
What's that? Daddy, look.
Wow!
Ah!
It's open. Open.
What do you say?
Say thank you, Nina and Uncle Adam.
Thank you. It's open. It's open.
There's more. You said there's more. Okay, I take a picture.
It's open.
Okay. Hang on. There's more. Open some more presents.
Behind you, look at the box behind you. Let's.
More presents over there. How about this one? Wait, this one. This might be Gordon inside. Hey. This is from Nina and also and Uncle Adam. Open.
Oh, this is the.
Oh, it's not. It's okay. What is this? Wait. Open. Show mommy a picture.
Can you show that? Turn around.
Oh, wait. There's more.
Hold your. Oh, wow.
More presents. Say thank you, Nina.
Thank you, Uncle Adam.
Wait, there's more for you. One more. Hey, open. Here.
We're opening.
Open this one.
I think that's.
Wow.
Wow, look at that.
Nice jacket. What do you say? Thank you, Nina. Look at mommy.
Thank you, Uncle Adam.
Look at mom. Look at mom. Wait, there's more presents. This is from Auntie Lola Doris and Uncle Bob. Open it.
No.
Open it. There's
Open
tray.
it. Look
Yeah,
inside. Look
Yeah,
inside.
open it. Who's that? Let's see. Reneus. And who's this?
That's right. It's your turn.
Good job.
Say thank you, Auntie Lola Doris. Say
Thank you.
Thank you, Auntie Lola. Thank you, Doris.
thank you, Uncle Bob.
Thank you, Uncle Bob. Thank you,
Thank
Uncle
you,
Bob.
Uncle Bob.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hope season.
Okay, hold it. There, open the red blanket.
Open this one,
Dali.
Ethan. Open this one. Open the blanket. See what's
See
inside.
what's inside. Look. Ethan, look.
Come on, boy. Check this one out first.
Okay, let's check.
Open the blanket. Oh, what's this?
What's this?
It's
Oh my God.
What's up with that?
okay. Here. You want to
Okay.
play? Say thank you, Guama.
Thank you, Grandma. Look. It's open.
What's this, Ethan? It's a trace of the island of. Okay, we open. Say Merry Christmas, Guama.
Merry Christmas. What's open? What's open?
Okay, you can go play.
Okay.
Yeah, that Thomas is too big.
Well, Thomas is too big.
It's too big, so you can't fit there. Look, Douglas can fit there, and this other train can fit there too.
Slippers.
Wow.
Slowly. Why don't you go here this way? This way. Okay. Merry Christmas, Ethan. I love you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Say thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
I love my presents.
I love my presents.
Say thank you, Uncle.
Thank you, Uncle.
Thank you, Sajak.
Thank you, Sasha.
Thank you, Guama.
Over there. Oops. Turn it off. Here. That's how it has. There we go. Ah. Thomas. 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 Go that way.
Oh, Thomas fell.
I like Thomas.
I know you do.